All right, continue. For question number 3, do the same thing. That we will go ahead and find out the axis of symmetry first, which is negative b over 2a. We know that it's the standard form, and since it's standard form, we also know that the a value is equal to 2. So negative b over 2a. So you have negative of negative 8. So we have positive 8 over 4. So your vertex, it's going to be 2 comma something. And what would that something be? So we repeat the same process. Really good practice, really good practice of utilizing the equation. So then we find out the y value of vertex, and that is y is equal to 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 7. So 2 times 4, it's 8 minus 16 plus 7. Negative 8 plus 7, it's equal to negative 1. So our vertex is 2 comma negative 1. So our equation would be y is equal to 2, which is the a value, x minus 2 square, and then minus 1. Okay, so again, very straightforward. You should time yourself if possible. Each one of these questions should not take you more than a minute. Okay, I think 1 minute is being very, very generous. And then we'll go to number 4. Again, this is the root form. Okay, this is a root form. And you can tell the a value here, it's negative 1 right here. And we also tell the roots. The roots are x equals to negative 5 and positive 3. So we know the axis of symmetry, which is right in between these two roots. So we'll go ahead and add these two numbers together and divide it by 2. So that would give us negative 2 over 2, which is negative 1. So our vertex, it's going to be negative 1 comma something, or comma what? Let's go ahead and find it out. Y value of vertex. Okay, it's going to be y equals to negative, don't forget the negative, negative 1 plus 5 times negative 1 minus 3. So you got positive 4 times negative 4, which will give you a total of positive 16. So that will be your vertex. So what's the vertex form? It's going to be negative, okay, 1, x plus 1, well, because of x minus negative 1. Don't forget the square. And then plus 16. Okay, see? Nice and easy. Nice and easy. Okay, should not take you more than 1 minute to figure all these out. Okay, so now, so far we are doing these vertex form writing based on the vertex itself and converting. And by the way, let me just make this very, very clear. Your technique of finding the vertex and going from standard form or root form to the vertex form, it's going to be very, very crucial. Okay, because we often want to find out the vertex. Okay, because the vertex is our maximum or our minimum. So therefore, knowing the vertex is going to be very crucial. Okay, so that's the reason why we care about the vertex. And the after the in the next unit, we'll still talk about the application of quadratic equations, and we will see even more about this this vertex form. It's going to be more very informational when we try to deal with some scenarios. Okay. Now, in the next video, we will start getting into the concept of completing a square. Okay. And so it's not hard, but we will need 100% of your focus. Okay. So stay tuned. Let's go to the next video.